Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fill a shape with a photo in Photoshop. Let's begin. First, create a new document with a white background. Now bring up one shape. Custom shape. I've already chosen the leaf shape, so create the shape. Okay, the leaf is filled with background. You can fill with any background. I have filled it with black background, and the stroke is 5px. I have one leaf shape. Now let me bring an image. Place embedded and this image. Okay, I have the image also. Now rotate this image and resize it. After resizing, make sure the image covered your whole leaf and press it down. Go to the image layer, hold the Alt button from the keyboard, and when you see the arrow pointing downward, click it. You can see that the image is placed inside the shape. Now let's put some stroke around the shape. So to put the stroke around the shape, go to the shape tool. You can double click on it or go to FX and choose the stroke. The stroke with white background and outside overlay is selected. Press it OK. You didn't see the stroke here because our background is also white and the stroke background is also white. So change the background color into the different color. Select the background layer and go to this button and select solid color. There, choose it little lighter. You can see when you have little lighter, now you can see your stroke color. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.